guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos from shopping hauls to various styling services. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe below. For returning viewers, thank you guys for coming back, for your support and comments. I appreciate all of it. Let's go ahead and dig right into this box, and this is a Wantable box today. If you are not familiar with Wantable, they are another styling service where they provide actually 7 items. There is a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. Keep what you like, send back what you don't like. I think you have 5 days for this styling service, so I do appreciate a little bit of extra time. What I love about Wantable is they do send more of basics, and I'm actually more of a simple basics type of person. So I typically like everything that they send me, and I think that's great. What I don't like about Wantable is they do seem a little bit more expensive than a Stitch Fix. Not a lot more, but just a little bit more, so that's always kind of a bummer for me. I do have a couple referrals, so Mona and Amber, thank you guys so much for using my referral link. For anybody else that wants to try Wantable and get $25 off your first box, I do have a referral link below. I always advise people, if you're going to try a new box, use a referral link because that's just free money, so why not? Okay, so let's go ahead and dig right into this. It's been a couple months since I've gotten a Wantable. I don't even think I put in a style note because I was planning on skipping another month and then I kind of forgot. Wantable does have what's called a stream where they show you a bunch of different options and you can request it, you can deny it, or you can just leave it alone. So I do have a few items in here that I believe are requested items. We'll see. I think that tells you on the price sheet what's requested and what's not. Okay, that's enough talking. Let's get into it. Okay, today's bundle is huge. I mean, look at that. That is a huge bundle. All right, let's open this up. And starting at the top, I see a brown polka dotted shirt. It looks, oh, it's a nice blouse, a thick blouse. This is not a sheer blouse. It does have a balloon sleeve, which I'm never a fan of. The dots on this are more of a light tan than a white, and it's got the crisscross back, which is always a cute detail. This is by Luca, and it looks like it is $69. Oh, this is called the Luca crossback top in brown polka dot, and it is $69. So it's a really nice blouse though. So we'll see. This actually feels really, really great quality versus a lot of the other blouses that I've tried on. So well done, Wantable. Okay, next up there is this softness. I don't know what this is, but it feels amazing. Okay, so I think this is more of a casual piece. So this is a sweater with, and it's almost like a light purple, I'd say. Extremely soft. You can see the kind of pattern here at the ends. It is a raw scissor cut hem on it, and it's kind of like a double layered around the neck and cuffs, which is a cute detail. Has a nice thickness to it, and then like this mock turtleneck here. So this feels really nice. This is by Z Supply, and I don't know how much it costs yet. Okay, next up, I know this was a requested item because I just kind of liked the shape and color of it. This is by Design History. It is $58. It is called a 3/4 sleeve rib knit button down cardigan, and you can see that here. So it's 3/4 sleeve, like I said. The button down in the front. It's kind of a slim silhouette, though it does kind of go out a little bit at the bottom, which I think that's why I requested it, because I just thought that was cute detail. You can even see that in the pattern where it kind of goes out a little bit. And then even the back has a really nice, I like the rib pattern to it, I guess is what I'm trying to say. So, okay, that is cute. Next up, we have this navy and gray number here. This is a sweater. This is by Wantable. It is $69. They call it the color trim V-neck sweater. And it's just a nice V-neck sweater. I think it looks good. No complaints here. Okay, so it just looks like a nice sweater. Good, thick quality though. So far everything has felt like really great quality. I don't know what this is, but this is a stiff, this gotta be like a jacket or something. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Okay, this is by Jack by BB Dakota. It's, I'd almost call it like a sweatshirt jacket. And it, what does it do? It has this button down in the front. It's hard to show you guys some of these pieces without getting them on, but that's what that looks like. And then it even has kind of a interesting cross detail there in the back. And I believe this one I requested because it was on sale. I don't see the price on it yet, so we'll get to that. Oh, here it is. It says $80, so I don't remember if that's sale price or not. This is the Terrell ribbed heavy fleece jacket, so can't wait to try that on because that feels amazing. All right, now we have a pair of black skinnies. All right, this is the high-rise slim ankle pant, and it is by Jag Jeans, and it appears to be $74. It's called the Amelia pull-on ankle in black. It's got a wide band at the top, which makes me feel like this is gonna feel nice and snug. Oh, it is pull-on, so there is no button in the front. The pockets in front are real, so again, it's got a regular 5-pocket situation. Pockets in the back, and no distressing. And I don't think I saw petite on it, so we'll see. We'll see how these fit. They are ankle, so sometimes an ankle does fit lengthwise on me. All right, last piece, another soft. This is by Olive and Oak, and this is just a soft sweater. It's got a big old cuff on it that's sewn, and I like that. It's kind of a charcoal gray, but almost bluish color, and just a crew neck on it, and I think it'll be a little bit oversized, but we'll see, and it feels amazing. And they call this the Andy sweater in forest. Oh, so it's greenish? I did not get that, but it's in forest, and it is $78. So, love all those pieces. Can't wait to try them on, so let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so I have 3 of the outfit pieces on now. Starting at the bottom, we have the pull-on jeans. I do not love these. The good news is they actually are more like slacks than jeans. I just didn't realize it. It's kind of almost like halfway between denim and slacks. So I do like that because I maybe could pull these off to wear to work since it's business casual. But the pull-on leaves extra room up here. Just doesn't feel very snug around the waist. And they are great length. I have no complaints lengthwise. I just kind of feel about them. I think it's just, there's just too much extra room up front. It's just, so it's just fun. Okay, so this is really cute. This is really cute. It is really warm and comfortable and cozy, and I like this extra material here. I think that's a cute detail. Here it is in the back where you see kind of the cross back to it. Very cute. So I can't remember what this cost, but this may be a keeper because this feels amazing. And this is perfect for like straight up midwinter, I need to feel cozy type top. So I don't know, I like it. Oh, and that was with it buttoned. This is with it not buttoned. I think I would button this if I were to wear it, but just to give you guys the perspective of it, that's what it looks like. Okay, next we have this little number here. I really like this. I think this is really cute. I like the shape to it. I think it adds a flattering shape. I love the color. I think I could wear this throughout the spring and summer because it's not too thick and heavy, but it also does feel cozy enough to wear during a cooler spring or whatever, early spring before it warms up much. So I think this is cute. I like this, the feel of it, the fit of it, the silhouette of it. Here it is in the back. So, okay, so far I've got 2 tops that I like. Let's keep going. Okay, this top, very cozy, very soft, very cozy, very delightful. It's a little bit big sleeve wise, you know, I got a bit of extra fabric, but it can kind of be scrunched up if I want to, or I don't know. It's just a very cute casual piece. Give you guys a closer look at it. Unique neck here, kind of a slouchy turtleneck type thing here. So I like it. Feels great. It's not really a dressy one. This is kind of a casual one, but it's cute. All right, let's get to the next stop. Okay, next up we have this sweater. It is a very comfy, cozy sweater. Feels great. I like it. I can't say that I'm just super excited about it, though I don't really have any specific complaints about it. It's just, it's a nice sweater, but it's just kind of, blah. It's fine. It's not that exciting. So, alright, next sweater. Okay, so now we have the navy sweater with the gray trim. I think the gray trim is a cute detail to it. I like the sweater. I think it fits great. It fits really great. It's a cute sweater for sure. Again, I don't know that I'm super excited about it, though I have no specific complaints at all in it, other than I just don't know that I'm super pumped about it. I just got a navy sweater for my last Stitch Fix, and so I just don't know that I need another navy sweater, but it's really cute. So, alright, let's get to the blouse. Okay, now we have the blouse on. It is a nice sweater, feels like great quality, and my favorite is the lining. I didn't realize this is what I've been missing in blouses all along, is some nice lining in it to make it feel thicker, more secure, things like that. The sleeves, I just don't really love it. Overall, it does look a little bit big on me. It's just okay. And maybe if it was in a different color, but the brown is just not speaking to me. So, alright, let's go over prices and do a quick recap. Okay guys, let's go over the prices and talk about how we feel about everything. You get this little envelope that has mailer in it for you to send back what you're not going to keep. And then you get a price sheet with a note from your stylist. And let's go over that real quick. Oh, it looks like I did put in a note, and it says dressy sweaters I can wear to workplace. So I made it simple and wanted to focus on sweaters, since that's, you know, kind of what I've asked for in a lot of my boxes recently. Okay, so I'm gonna go from least favorite to most favorite, and there's actually a few pieces in here I really like, so let's get through this. Okay, so the Luca crossback top by Luca Couture. This is $69 and not going to keep because I don't love the color, I don't love the fit, it's just not great. And then we have the Amelia pull-on pants by Jack Jeans. These are $74. Not going to keep. Mostly they just had too much extra fabric in the waistline crotch area, so I just did not love the feel of these on, so I'm not keeping those. Then we have the Andy sweater Enforced by Olive and Oak. This is $78. If this had been like $20, I would have kept it because I do like it. I don't really have any particular complaints other than it's kind of blah. But it would be a great sweater to kind of bundle up with in the winter, but I'm not going to pay $75 for it, so that's going to go back. Now this sweater, I have thoughts on this. One, the more I thought about it, the more I really liked it, but it definitely is a little bit too big on me. I think it's a stunning color. I really like this color, and it feels amazing. If it was smaller, I maybe would push for it. The only other bad thing is it's because it's got this raw scissor hem, it's literally shedding all over everything. Just little pieces of the knit fabric is just coming off. So that's not ideal, but that will be going back. But I just want to say to the rest of you who might be getting Wantable, this is a great sweater, and I recommend it to other people who maybe it's going to fit a little bit better. Okay, this navy sweater, this feels like such good quality. This was the Wantable sweater, and they're calling it the color trim v-neck sweater, and it is $69, and I like it. I like it quite a bit. Again, if this were a bit cheaper, I definitely would purchase this because I think I would wear it, but I don't love it enough to pay $70 for it. Okay, so the last two pieces are my faves. This was the 3/4 sleeve rib knit button-down cardigan in coral by Design History, and it is $58. I really like it. I think it's cute. I think it has a nice silhouette to it. So potential keeper. And then the Taro Ribbed Heavy Fleece Jacket by Jack, and this is $60 since it is on sale, and it feels so warm and comfy. It could stand to be more fitted, but you know, I think it's a jacket. It's meant to be warm and cozy. I don't need this one to be as fitted as maybe I might want other jackets. So give me your guys' opinion, particularly on these two pieces. Should I keep them both? Send them both back? I don't know. I do have a couple referral credits, so that will help with the costs. So I don't know what to do, but I'd love to get your guys' thoughts. Thank you guys so much for watching. I very much appreciate it. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, then please subscribe below. And if you want $25 off your first Wantable box, then my referral link goes below. Hopefully I will see you guys in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.